Alright guys, another therapy / modality I use in the office. This is called a VibraCussor Therapy. It's made by a company called Impact. It's vibration therapy, so it's not a massage tool. This is a vibrating technique that vibrates at different frequencies. I could set this at a low frequency, depending on your condition, or I can set it at a high frequency. What this does is it smooths out muscles or loosens tight muscles. So if you're someone who has a lot of tight muscles, a lot of tension in your body, whether it's physical stress, mental, emotional, or spiritual stressors, and you have a lot of tension, this is a great tool to actually loosen up those muscles through vibration therapy. Typical conditions I would use this for. So plantar fasciitis, if you're someone who has a lot of issues with your feet. Not only plantar fasciitis, but also balance, because this sends healthy, again, proprioception. So this is communicating to the brain through vibration frequencies, telling the brain, hey, we're firing these mechanoreceptors, helping our body to know where it's at in space and help us with balance. So plantar fasciitis, balance, runner's knee, any issues with your Achilles tendon, also piriformis syndrome. If you're someone who has a lot of pain in this area, SI joint pain, lower back pain, quadratus lumborum pain, any really muscle that you have, it has a lot of tension and tightness that you have, this is a great tool to loosen it up and to break it up. Mainly I see this a lot on a lot of patients. If you're someone who sits for 5, 6, 7 hours a day and you're starting to have like this type of posture, your hands roll forward, your neck starts to jet like this. So if you're really looking at a computer, you like to read a lot, you're using your phone, like they call it text neck now. That causes a lot of tension and stiffness through the neck, causing headaches, tension headaches. So again, if you're somebody who has headaches, a lot of tension through the neck, this vibration frequency by VibraCussor, by Impact, is amazing technique to actually loosen up and break up that tightness or tension in the body. This is also very good to put your body in a relaxing state, because when we're tense and we're stressed, our muscles get tight. That tightness is communicating to the brain that you're in a sympathetic state, meaning you're going to dump more stress hormones. If you're anyone who knows anything about stress hormones aren't good at a chronic state. The goal is to inhibit that stress hormone, and through vibration therapy and frequency, we can help to inhibit that whole, they call it the HPA axis. That's your sympathetic, dumping a lot of stress hormones. We want to put you into a parasympathetic state. This, through the vibration, the different frequencies, will help that and to keep you more in a relaxed state. And real quick, I'll just show you, like you could hear it, because I turn it on right here. So this would be like a very low frequency. So you can see, like this is a different tools and tips that I would use on your body. That it depends on your condition you have. But then you can see we start to increase the frequency. So you can imagine what that does. Like it just feels amazing. And again, since I got my wrist, carpal tunnel syndrome is another one to loosen up this area. So anyway, this is the VibraCussor. Take care to Temple. It's Dr. Bryan.